What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for y'all. And as y'all were from the title, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Popl Flat. The Popl Flat is a flat version of all the other Popls, and what it does is it's capable of going under your case instead of on top of your case, like this one right here, how it's over the case, it's going to go under the case. For people that don't want the Popl to be shown, they can just put it right under here, and then it's going to work just the same as all the other Popls. So if you do not know what Popl is actually a little tag, and it's NFC activated, so that means that once you get your Popl, you get to set up your page here on the Popl app, and then you get to add all these social medias and apps and websites and stuff like that, all these things right here. You can add all those onto your page, and you can customize all that, and you can customize your own page to be able to share with somebody else. So for example, if somebody asks for my YouTube, instead of me telling them word for word exactly what my channel name is, all I really have to do is just take my Popl and their phone and then tell them to tap into the back of my Popl, and then the notification will pop up here. As you guys can see, the notification, and they tap on that notification, and instantly my information is all shared that I chose to share with them right here on my profile page. My profile page will actually be mirrored onto their phone, and then now they can see my information. So for example, if I click on my YouTube, they'll get taken straight to my YouTube that I chose to share. My Instagram, they'll get taken straight to my Instagram that I also chose to share on my profile. So let's go ahead and open up the Popl Flat. So they have this nice retail packaging now. And like I said, Popl does run off of an NFC tag that is inside of their product. So then we open up the bottom. We can just pull it out here. And then look at that. This cool multicolor packaging. And here we actually have the Popl Flat itself. Here it is, the Popl Flat. As you can see, it's really flat compared to like this one. The Popl Flat is probably like half the height of this one right here. So since this one goes on the outside, this one is going to go under the case, so it has to take up little to no space. So it's incredible how they fit really cool technology in such a small space and little product. So now all you got to do is just take your phone and your Popl product, go to your Popl app, and then what you got to do is click these three lines in the top left, set up a Popl, look for your Popl here. In this case, I have just a regular Popl. We're going to tap here to activate. We're going to push it to the back of the phone. And then you guys heard the little click, and then now it is successfully activated. So now this Popl will be sharing my information and my information only. And the cool thing about Popl is that they have a subscription. It's really cheap, and it's called Popl Pro. So with Popl Pro, you get a variety of different things, such as the business and the personal page. So you can switch literally in not even a second. Just switch your pages just like that. Just quick, boom, boom, personal and business. Just in case you need to share more personal information, or you need to share like business related information. So that's a really cool thing about Popl. Popl also integrated a QR feature, and this QR code is actually only for your page. So if somebody scans this QR code, it's going to open up to the same page as if you were to just pop your Popl tag. So let's go ahead and see if the Popl tag actually works. Boom, just like that. It just opens up, literally that easy. It's just crazy, and it amazes me every time that such a tiny little product can do such amazing things. Not only does it work with iOS, but it also works with Android, which makes it really cool because it literally works with almost every single phone. Just follow the same steps as before. Just take your Popl, tap it to the back of their phone, and it just opens up. It's just crazy and super fast, and it's really more efficient than telling people like exactly where your phone number is, what your channel is, and stuff like that, and then they have all the information in literally just seconds. So now we're gonna go ahead and just put this on the back of my phone. So we're gonna take off the case, and we're gonna put it where it's meant to go. And then to put it onto your actual phone, you're just gonna take off the adhesive backing here, take that off, align it with your phone. Alright, so I did the best I could there. So now I have a clear casing so you guys can see exactly what's going on under the case. So now the Popl is actually under the case instead of on top of the case. These are both the exact same cases, except that this one's more newer than this one, of course. But look, you guys can see how on the regular Popl, it goes on top of the case, and on the Popl Flat, it's under the case. So literally does no difference to the case. It's not even bent whatsoever. It's almost like it's not even there. Like, I'm seriously not even kidding. It's almost like it's not even there. There's literally no bump, no nothing here. If I move my finger around, you can't even feel anything. It's just super flat, and then it also works the exact same way as the other Popls through the case, through this case too. So it's actually going through two cases, and you're still getting the exact same features of being able to share information really quickly. If you guys would like to pick one of these up, the Popl Flat or any of the other amazing Popl products, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza at checkout to get 20% off of your entire order. Yes, your entire order, 20% off of your entire order. All you have to do is just use my code Julio Mendoza and you get 20% off your Popl, and you get an amazing product in return. They're super inexpensive, worth every single dollar, because they're more cheaper than buying business cards, and it leaves a greater impression on your customer. Rather than just giving them a piece of paper for a business card, all you really got to do is just tell them, tap your phone to the back of my phone, click the notification, and then boom, there's all my information that you'll ever need. But Popl also integrated the feature of being able to turn off your Popl, right? And they click on the notification, they cannot enter your information because the profile is off. So that means that everything will appear blurred out and they cannot see a single thing. If you click on the first link down in the description below, it'll automatically apply the code and it'll automatically take you to their website where you can purchase a Popl for yourself. Here's their website. You guys can see all these amazing products that they have, different colors, different varieties. Just 20 bucks for like this, and it's super cheap because compared to business cards is like $1,000 for like $100, when you can just buy the $20 Popl tag and just share it with 1,000 people, and it does even more than what a business card does, and it leaves a stronger impression on your client. So here's the Popl Flat, works under the case. It's $19.99. You add it to cart just like that. We'll get it 20% off, and then we'll get it for $16 instead of $19.99. Use my code Julio Mendoza, get 20% off your Popl. Pick yourself up a Popl Flat today. Goes right under your case. It's not even noticeable, and it's super effective because it saves time, which saves money. Super good for entrepreneurs because it saves time. It's really important because while you're doing something, somebody else is also doing something that's gonna get them ahead of you, and if you don't save time, then you're gonna be behind. So you have to be efficient at what you do. If you leave a good impression on your clients, they would want to really look into what you do and your business a lot more than if you just were to hand them a business card, because you're being different than the others. And like I said, it also works on Android, so just tap it to the back of their phone. You'll hear the little buzz, and then boom, it just opens up just that quick, and it's the same thing as the iOS. If they click whatever you shared, it will take them straight to the website that you shared with them. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe if you guys would like to see more videos related to Popl or just other cool tech video unboxing and reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to use my code Julio Mendoza to pick yourself up a Popl. They're really efficient and I would recommend them 100%. 5-star product is just amazing products. Don't miss out. Stand out for the rest of the entrepreneurs trying to get ahead of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.